What's up, guys? It is June 3rd, Friday morning here at the shop early. Got everything moved out from around the race car because today is wrap day. We've got Carson Stone coming from Danville, Virginia. He is with Graphx. He's bringing a helper with him, I believe. And they're gonna spend all day here at the shop and they're gonna knock this thing out. So we're gonna set up the cameras and we're gonna get it all on video for you guys to watch the transformation as they change the color of this thing. So enjoy. So if you're watching this video, you've already seen the car put back together after we've done the reveal and all that stuff. This video is pretty much just to showcase the job that Graphx did when they wrapped it here, and show the time lapse, the whole process. I've never seen one wrapped in person, so it was eye-opening to me, just the process of getting everything fit right and laid out right on the car. So the wrap color that we've got here is gloss Starlight, or gloss copper Starlight. I think I've got that arrangement right in words, but really unique color. When the light hits it, it looks really like a golden bronze color. But if you're looking from where my vantage point is, say right in here, you can see it is a copper color. But over here it's more golden. So depending on where the light hits, it really makes the body lines really pop on this thing. So really happy with the color choice. Carson really was a big help at Graphx getting my color choice picked out. He really helped me there, because I had about 12 different colors, and all of them, or most of them, I could not get. Of course, the ones I picked you can't get. So the availabilities really went down since the COVID stuff. They've backed off manufacturing of the weird colors, or I call them weird, the unique colors. So this is a brand from the UK. I forget what it is. There's the boxes in the back. He gave me the rest of the wrap that they had left over. But you know, this wrap, they was really happy with the quality. It really did great. And I think the color is really unique, just like the car is unique. I wanted a unique color, something that every Tom, Dick, and Harry did not have. So yeah, that's it. If you need something wrapped, you want them to come to your shop, and you're in the area, within a couple hour driving distance. I don't know how far they'll go, but we're nearly 2 hours from them, and they was willing to come to the shop, and that is worth a big convenience fee for me to not have to haul this thing to somewhere. And then it was good for me to be here, because we had to pull the front end on and off, or off and on, depending on what they was doing, to kind of help them stay flowing with the wrap. And it helped for it to be here, where I could be here to do all that stuff for them, and assist them with whatever they needed as far as questions and stuff like that. Because I knew if the car was being wrapped somewhere else, that there would be questions come up on what I wanted done. So having it here just made that a lot easier, where I could kind of see what was going on. And I appreciate them being lenient on all my camera moving and all my picture taking, because I was a fanatic all day long with this stuff going on, taking pictures and moving the camera stands and different things. And Carson was even cool enough to move the camera a little bit for me whenever I wasn't in the room when I was doing something else. So shout out to those guys at Graphx. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully we'll be racing and tuning soon enough.